Please subscribe.
The Santa Fe is the largest and only 3-row SUV offered by Hyundai, positioned ahead of the smaller 2-row Tucson and Santa Fe Sport. The Santa Fe has the third highest starting price in the entire lineup, just below the full-size Azera sedan and Sonata plug-in hybrid. The 3-row Hyundai Santa Fe received a refresh for the 2017 model year, so expect minimal changes for the 2018 model year. We'll update this space as soon as we have more info. The 2017 model's powertrain is a 290 HP, 252 lb-ft of torque 3.3-liter V6 mated to a 6-speed automatic, and it will more than likely return as the sole powertrain. Front-wheel drive will be standard, with all-wheel drive available. Available features like the 8.0-inch touchscreen navigation system with Android Auto and Infinity Premium Audio with Quantum Logic surround sound and Clarify music restoration technology will return, and Apple CarPlay will probably become standard on some trims instead of a do-it-yourself upgrade, as on the 2017s. The smaller 2-row Santa Fe Sport will return as well, retaining its 4-cylinder powertrain lineup. The 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe should return with a standard rear-view camera, available multi-view camera system, adaptive cruise control with stop/start, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and dynamic bending light, turns headlights in the same direction as the steering wheel when turning, with high beam assist. The available Hyundai Blue Link provides remote start with climate control, stolen vehicle recovery, and remote door lock/unlock.